Release planning. Release planning an activity where we are planning multiple iterations, sprints together. It is like we have a goal. We want to release a chunk of functionality which can be achieved with the help of multiple product backlog items. And all of them cannot be done in a one-time box. So we want to have a projection, how long it will take to finish this chunk of work, and that can be done with the help of release planning. So what are the inputs for the release planning? The first thing, we need to identify the backlog items which are candidate for that particular release. Second thing, those backlog items must be sized using story points so we know how much work is there which needs to be done in order to achieve that particular release goal. So after having understanding of the work and the size of the work, then we need to know how much is our estimated velocity. We need to find out how much work our team forecast to finish in the format of a story point in a given iterations or a set of upcoming iteration. For example, we may qualify the work as 100 story point, and we may understand and estimate 25 story point as our estimated velocity. Then we know that we need 4 iterations to finish this 100 story point work. So we plan 4 iterations, and we also distribute the 25 story point work in the format of number of user stories per iteration to show our overall release plan. So this helps us in facilitating long-term planning. It helps us in doing stakeholder communication. Not to take release plans equal to our predictive lifecycle project schedule. There is expected to be more volatility in our release planning because our forecasted velocity may get updated as we progress, and there is also a possibility the amount of work which we are planning for a release may also get changed, but it helps us in giving some amount of long-term forecast.